Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to draw a pickup truck. I'm sure a lot of y'all want to draw that. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to draw a pickup truck with a load of limbs in the back. So we're going to go ahead and draw, we're just going to draw it like sideways. So first thing you want to do is draw the wheels. So about a wheel there and a wheel about here, a few inches apart, and then we can put a little curve that tries to match it. And then there you go, connect the two, go out just a little, go up, and then go to the side, and then go all the way up, go about there, and then just keep going, stop about halfway, little over halfway, and go up, and then kind of round it off, and then go straight for a little bit, and then down, forward, down, right there. So that's the basics thing of the pickup truck. So now we'll add the windows, which you just kind of copy the outline like that, and then we'll put the handle there, just kind of finish the door off. There you go. Add the little handle, then add the limbs, which are basically just a bunch of lines. So draw a bunch of lines kind of going that way, then have a bunch of lines kind of going back and forth, kind of draw little X's. And then you can draw a little wheel inside like that, just a line. Then just put some little balls. Then you can just kind of draw a stick man, just kind of stick man inside. With the seat right there. And then we can just add the horizon line. There we go.